Bonjour, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the magnificent Eiffel Tower. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover 15 fascinating facts about this architectural marvel. Fact 1. A World's Fair Wonder. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was originally built as the entrance arch for the 1889 World's Fair held in Paris? It was intended to be a temporary structure, but quickly captured the hearts of Parisians and visitors alike. Fact 2. Gustave Eiffel's masterpiece. The Eiffel Tower was designed by French engineer Gustave Eiffel, who also contributed to the design and construction of the Statue of Liberty's internal structure. It stands as a testament to his engineering genius. Fact 3. Towering height. Standing at a staggering height of 1063 feet 324 meters. The Eiffel Tower held the title of the tallest man-made structure in the world for 41 years until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York City in 1930. Fact 4. A beacon of light. The Eiffel Tower is adorned with 20,000 light bulbs that create a stunning visual display every evening. Its dazzling illumination has become a symbol of romance and allure, attracting millions of visitors each year. Fact 5. The wind and the tower. During cold weather, the iron structure of the Eiffel Tower can contract by up to 6 inches 15 centimeters, while in hot weather it can expand by as much as 7 inches 18 centimeters. This flexibility allows the tower to withstand strong winds without compromising its integrity. Fact 6. An engineering marvel. The Eiffel Tower was assembled using over 18,000 individual iron parts and approximately 2.5 million rivets, all meticulously designed and crafted to fit together perfectly. It's a true masterpiece of engineering. Fact 7. Symbol of French resilience. During World War II, when German forces occupied Paris, the French cut the elevator cables of the Eiffel Tower to prevent Hitler from visiting the summit. Despite facing numerous challenges, the tower remained a symbol of French resistance and resilience. Fact 8. Temporary resident. In 1925, Romanian engineer George Valentin Bibescu set up a makeshift apartment on the Eiffel Tower's third platform, complete with furniture and a piano. He lived there for several weeks as a publicity stunt to promote his aviation inventions. Fact 9. The Eiffel Tower's secret apartment. Hidden within the Eiffel Tower is a private apartment that was once used by Gustave Eiffel himself. It's located on the top floor and is now open to the public, offering a glimpse into the life of the tower's creator. Fact 10. Replica repurposing. Several replicas of the Eiffel Tower exist around the world, with notable ones in Las Vegas, Tokyo, and China. These replicas serve as tourist attractions and have become iconic landmarks in their own right.
Fact 11. A scientific laboratory. Throughout its history, the Eiffel Tower has been used for scientific experiments and research. It has served as a laboratory for testing the effects of wind resistance, radio transmission, and even gravity. Fact 12. The tower's color. Contrary to popular belief, the Eiffel Tower is not painted in one uniform color. To combat rust and corrosion, it's painted in 3 different shades, with the darkest shade at the bottom and the lightest shade at the top to create a uniform appearance. Fact 13. A magnet for daredevils. Over the years, the Eiffel Tower has attracted numerous daredevils and thrill seekers who have attempted daring feats such as tightrope walks, base jumps, and even illegal climbs. These adrenaline-fueled stunts have captured the world's attention. Fact 14. Visitor magnet. Since its opening in 1889, the Eiffel Tower has welcomed over 300 million visitors from around the world, making it one of the most visited paid monuments globally. It continues to be a must-see destination for travelers of all ages. Fact 15. Love locks tradition. The tradition of attaching padlocks to the railings of the Eiffel Tower as a symbol of everlasting Love began in the early 2000s. However, due to concerns about the weight and structural integrity of the tower, authorities periodically removed the locks. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about the Eiffel Tower that showcase its history, engineering marvels, and enduring allure. Whether you've visited in person or dream of seeing it one day, the Eiffel Tower continues to captivate the hearts and minds of people around the world. Merci for watching, and until next time, au revoir.